Some beautiful pictures of Rima Khan spending time in the USA with her husband Dr. Tariq Ibn celebrating holidays are going viral on social media. It is clear from the pictures that she prefers to wear Eastern clothes while living in the United States. And she never follows Western culture or Western dress. If we look at the age of Rima Khan in the year 2021, then she is 50 years old. And now she is not seen working in any new Pakistani drama or film. She is spending time in America with her husband and in-laws. When she arrives in Pakistan a year later, she is seen hosting a Ramadan transmission on some private TV channel. Let us tell you one thing here, that Rima Khan started her married life by marrying Dr. Tariq Ibn at the age of about 40. And by the grace of God, she has become the mother of a son. If we talk about Rima Khan's showbiz friends, then Jan Rambo, Sahiba, Saan, Waris Baig, and Risham are her best friends. But in today's article, we will see some beautiful pictures of Rima Khan with her husband on holiday in the United States, in which it can be seen that she wears Pakistani cultural clothes while living in the United States. And people love her unique style, which is why she gets so many compliments on social media. So let's take a look at the 2021 photos of Rima Khan with her husband. Do you also like Rima Khan's acting? If so, don't forget to tell us in the comments section below. Thanks.